Okay, so the job we're on today is we are making up the fluted columns at a oak for one of the rooms we're working on. So to do that, what we've done is we've marked up the oak with positions of the flutes, and we're going to use the trend router. So we've set up the router already at the correct step in and the correct depth, so just line up here. So today what we're doing is making up the oak columns. To do that, what we were doing was using the table saw, the DeWalt table saw, to cut 45-degree angles on the board. What we've done is set the guide fence to the correct size, and we've adjusted the blade to the 45-degree angle, and after that we've made the cut. We use the table saw because we're cutting through oak, which is a hard wood, and the table saw goes through that no bother.